What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might affect the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis for the probable price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we have to have a pullback, and every daily red candle on a pullback might be your potential accumulation point, and your stop loss should be slightly below this previous bottom, this bottom of the C wave, and technically we shouldn't break the range of $1. It is a psychological number and it is a confluence level with $1.037 of 0.65. It is a golden pocket from the very bottom of this movement right here to the very top, and it is also a confluence level with previous support line. Let me show it to you more thoroughly. Right here we have several touches at the range of $1, and we have several touches right here, and it acts as a very strong support line. So technically we didn't break it, we have consistently higher lows. Let me show you more thoroughly. We have consistently higher lows and we don't have higher highs. Instead of this we have lower highs. This means we have something like this, we have something like triangle, and I will share my thoughts what to expect next from this price action in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with some fundamentals. So let's start with the entire crypto market. For now, we are sitting at the total market cap of $1.9 trillion. It is 3.69% increase over the last day. And as you can see, all major cryptocurrencies are in green during the last 24 hours. But during the last 7 days, almost all of them are in red, still in red. This means we are not out from the woods. And that's why we have to wait until we'll have a good bounce. And yesterday I've told you that we shouldn't break this previous bottom on major cryptocurrencies, on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as you can see, we have very good bounce to the upside. So this pivot point might be very good for the entire crypto market, but we have to wait. And for now, let me show you that Polygon is up for about 5.5%, and its total market cap is $7.56 billion, with the total tradable volume of $628.96 million, and it's up during the last 24 hours for 12.1%. As you can see, we have very good movement to the upside, and we have decent volume with this movement, and this means we have a possibility to start new uptrend from this point. So let me show you the latest news, and right here we have this tweet made on September 29th, and it's made by Rafael Signal, and he posted: yesterday Matic eclipsed Ethereum in daily active users for the first time. And as you can see, daily active users on Polygon network is 351,000, and on Ethereum network is 326,000. And this means for the first time we have this crossover, and it is a very good sign for the network itself, because the more users this network has, the more stable and more valuable it is. And let me show you that on top of that, we have a lot of news from Polygon itself, from Polygon official Twitter, and this news related to potential partnerships, for active partnerships, and for upcoming events that might affect the price of this token. And that's why, in my opinion, for the long-term perspective, it is a very good potential contender to be at least into your watch list. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, if I draw this line like this, if I connect these three tops right here, right here, right here and right here, we have a breakout. But I have some doubts about this breakout, because usually on a breakout we have to have much higher volume than we had previously, and this type of breakouts might be a false breakout. And this false breakout might have a pivot point somewhere at this range, and we might roll over and come back to this formation, inside this formation again, and we might break it to the downside. But from the fundamental standpoint, I think we have more chances to go even higher. And if it is not the case, or potentially if I connect these two tops, and technically it is not the best resistance line because we cannot connect with this top, but still we might have this as our potential formation, and this formation has to be broken. And what to expect next? In my opinion, for those of you who are still bullish, it is very good point to enter the position for the long term, because you have several possibilities. First of all, we might go higher from this point, and your potential stop loss might be at this range, second one at this range, and third one at this one. This is our main stop loss, slightly below this point, basically from the range of $1 to $1.02. And this range might be your stop loss if you want to catch the entire movement to the upside and to the downside. But if you are a long-term investor and you already done your own due diligence and you know that this asset is very bullish overall, and let me show you on a daily time frame. And right here, as you can see, we have very good movements, and we hit this bottom of about 65 cents price point, and since then we didn't break the golden pocket, and this means we have very good possibilities to go higher from this level. And this movement to the upside will be only the third wave inside the third wave for the greater scale. And this means if this is the real bottom, let me project some targets. If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement right here, we have very good possibility to hit this level of 1.618, and range is around $3. So it is a confluence with the psychological number of $3, and before we hit this range, we should hold this line of $1. And we have to break this previous top and this all-time high. Let me clean the chart a little bit. I don't need unnecessary tools. So, and technically this asset has huge possibilities to hit this target, and even with extension in the third wave, we might hit higher target with the same wave. And it might be around $4.2. So I don't think that we can rely on these targets, because we might hit it in a matter of a couple of months. Just be cautious, and for now we have to exceed the level of about $1.8, and next one, this previous top of $2.4 and the all-time high at $2.7. So from our current price, we have an upside potential to our first target of about 67%, and downside to the level where we might hit our stop loss order about 10%. So the risk to reward ratio is really good. It is more than 6 to 1, and you can rely on this formation if we will have a good breakout to the upside with a good volume. For now, I don't see this volume right here on a daily time frame. That's why you have to be cautious. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!